You need to hear this if you're a lawn enthusiast. I do so love a beautiful lawn. A verdant, healthy sward is such a delight. It's the heart of the garden, wouldn't you say? Today we're on a mission to demystify the world of lawn care, focusing on those 5 essential fertilizer tips that'll guarantee a lush green carpet you'll be proud to call your own. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, grab your gardening gloves and let's get growing. Don't forget to subscribe to the Lawn and Garden channel and hit the like button for more tips and tricks. Now, before we even think about reaching for that fertilizer, we need to understand the very ground our lawn grows on, our soil. It's a bit like baking a cake, you see. You wouldn't just throw ingredients together without knowing if you need more flour or less sugar, would you? A simple soil test, and these are readily available, will reveal your soil's pH level, which tells us how acidic or alkaline it is. Most grasses thrive in slightly acidic to neutral conditions, ideally between a pH of 6 and 7. You'll also learn about the nutrient content. Are there enough of the vital elements for healthy growth? Understanding your soil is the first step to providing your lawn with what it truly needs. Now, let's talk fertilizer, because not all fertilizers are created equal. Think of it like choosing the right diet for your lawn. You'll often see NPK ratios on fertilizer packaging. These represent nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen, our friend N, is the key to that lush green growth. Phosphorus P gives those roots a good strong start in life. And potassium K, well, that's the all-rounder, boosting your lawn's overall health and resilience. The ideal ratio will vary depending on your soil test results and the type of grass you have. So, a little bit of research goes a long way in ensuring you're feeding your lawn the right nutrients in the right amounts. Timing. It's crucial in gardening, wouldn't you say? Just like we wouldn't prune roses in the depths of winter, we need to fertilize our lawns when they are actively growing. Cool season grasses such as fescue and ryegrass, they love a good feed in early spring and early fall. That's when they're raring to go. Warm season grasses like Bermuda grass prefer a feast from late spring through summer. And a word of caution, avoid fertilizing during extreme heat or drought. It's a bit like trying to enjoy a heavy meal on a scorching day. Not very pleasant. Now, when it comes to applying fertilizer, we're aiming for even distribution. A bit like spreading butter on toast. You wouldn't want a soggy bottom, would you? For granular fertilizers, a broadcast spreader is your best bet. It ensures those granules are scattered evenly, preventing any patchiness. And a gentle watering afterwards helps the nutrients soak into the soil. If you're using a liquid fertilizer, a hose end sprayer is a handy tool. Just remember to walk at a steady pace, ensuring every inch of your lawn gets its fair share of nutrients. Now, a gentle reminder: more is not always better, especially when it comes to fertilizer. Over-fertilizing can actually harm your lawn, leading to excessive growth that's more susceptible to pests and diseases. It's about finding that balance, just the right amount to keep your lawn healthy and thriving. Generally, 4 to 6 applications per year are sufficient, and keep an eye out for slow-release fertilizers. These are fantastic for providing a steady supply of nutrients over time, a bit like a slow-release energy drink for your lawn. And there we have it, 5 essential fertilizer tips to transform your lawn into a verdant paradise. Remember, a healthy lawn starts with understanding your soil. Choose the right fertilizer. Apply it at the right time, using the correct techniques, and always follow the recommended guidelines. A little care and attention go a long way. Happy gardening!